In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you find hidden chats on Snapchat. First, launch your Snapchat app and navigate to the conversations page. Here, you're going to find all the chat lists. Firstly, let's hide one of the chat. Press and hold on the chat, select the option Chat and Notification Settings. Now, navigate to the option Clear from Chat Feed. Click on Clear and confirm it. With that, the selected chat will be removed from the conversations page. Now, how to find it? For that, you will need to click on this search option. Now, type in the username of that person. With that, the name will appear. Now, go ahead and click on that name. Just with that, it will appear in your chat list. You can hit back and check in your conversations page. Once you open the hidden chat, it will reappear in your chat list. From here, you can continue chatting as normal. And that's it. That's how you can find hidden chats on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.